letter. She sent the letter to me. She have to serve 2 years and half for jail. And she is still pregnant. Why I bring this thing? She told me he don't know what he want to do. So let me tell you the full details. And then you will know what really happened. And this one I told the message to people. After I don't talk, I'll call this gua those people will be say, come train station. I go beat you. I go tell you say I craze pass Buhari. I go tell you say your mama don't get sense. I go tell you say craze person that they tell you my name. You don't do that shit in Germany. When people ready to sue you, they will. They make somebody way quiet. It doesn't mean you don't have something here. When I tell them, I say stay away from bad record, especially this Germany. They don't care who you are. But this our sister, she made mistake, which everybody can make, which she's regretting, for sure. Hot temper. That day she talk, I say, now hot temper. Now it cause her. You don't fight in Germany. You don't do that. You don't do that. You don't do that in Deutschland. When you deal with the wrong person, you will go for it. Nadia. So, this our lady, for those of us who remember her, let me summarize it a little bit. He said this lady, when she fight with now a friend, she was a friend, but she's not she not be the same tribe when she be, not be that lady be. She's another tribe entirely, but she's a Nigerian, but another tribe entirely. So, he said she beat the girl, injured her very, very well. She beat the girl, she injured her. Those of us who remember that lady, she talk and say she beat her mercilessly that day. You understand? And she injured her. Okay? And then the reason why they even collect her pikin, she did that thing in the front of her child. Ha! In Germany. So, when the issue happened, yes, when the issue happened, no police involved now. When police come, they ask them whether they want to take the case go police station, whether the woman want to take the case go court. The lady court say yes, she won't carry the case go court. You understand? She go carry the case go court. He say, but she can't go meet the girl secretly. Tell the girl say make she not vex, make she beg, make she forgive her. She say she carry people follow body. You understand? She say she carry people follow body, go beg this lady. She can even give the lady 300 euro. May take buy medicine, take care of her body, all those one. He said now the lady say, okay, oh, she don't rest for the matter. She don't rest for the matter. Make everything finish like that. So she could take lawyer. She could take lawyer. She take lawyer, you know, lawyer now. He gets all kind of things. Like, I always tell people, there are some things you can't go scot-free. Now, I make her, when that our brother that day, they told, say, everybody get the one you man over this one, ban over this one. My brother, because they never get your time. They are certain you do. I say, even the best lawyer cannot save you. I'm saying it. Welcome to Deutschland. There are certain things you will do. And when they meet you, even the best lawyer cannot save you. Now, when you do certain things in Germany, they always give you second chance. They are not stupid giving you second chance. Like my God will always say, you go say, why you foreigners think we are stupid? We are not stupid. They are not. They are not stupid. When you do something, they can give you first chance. They'll say, okay, now first time be that. But the day when you do another record, small way not make sense. They'll go carry that one, they'll group her together. You say, but this thing not reach me to go jail. I say, even if you carry the best lawyer, he cannot save you. Because they don't gather around wait for you. They have a lot to knock you down. The government have the best lawyer when they want to talk about it. Do you know that? When they say the best lawyer ever, the government have the best lawyer ever. I don't think you can afford the best lawyer ever in the country where you are living. So don't play smart. So, and now this our sister still get belle. She's pregnant for the moment right now. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. You understand? For the moment. He said when they reach court, after she don't beg the lady, they reach court, this lady testify against her. They call ask her, judge call ask her and say, Madam, you dey okay? My sister say, la oh. Sister say, la yo. My nose they pay me. My belly they pay me. Na my nyash they pay me. I know they sleep well since they beat me. Now say they get bad dream. Now so you know they feel sleep for night. Trust our Nigerian people. They say now who no man they cry man. Now a friend though. Let me let you know. Now a friend. Now question judge asks, how are you feeling now? Because they want to know if she's feeling better. That is why I'm always telling people. When some people want you to pay, they will let you pay. You see this the way this lady do so? Me, I don't know. Now my guy even tell me. Say, if you want to fight with somebody, don't go to socials. Don't make trouble with people who don't work. People who have no future ambitions. People who are social. They will let you pay when you beat such person. They will let you pay when you fight such person. They will let you pay. Do you know? I don't know about that country. Oh. You want those sort to finish. You say you want they pay 10 euro or 5 euro. Okay. I'm still talking, please. Oh. Let's say the person knows I don't do that. You say you want they pay 5 euro and 10 euro. Do you know there are certain cases you go, the person will tell I don't need your money. I want you to serve jail for it. That's the choice of the victim. If he thought say you will not pay, I want you to. He lawyer go do and he go tell you say maybe if you say na 10 euro, you go pay. Go tell you say I don't need 10 euro. It depends on your case. You will go to jail for it. You see? Be smart. So next sister say nya showing not the head the warrior. Now say not where. Now say they dream baba dream. Now say not they sleep all body they pain now. Now just say okay, no problem. Now Josh cut us say, Madam, we give you 5 years imprisonment. 5 years. 5 years. This mistake, everybody can make it. Everybody can make the mistake. But we still have to learn from each other mistake. Me, I don't still make mistake for this country. Now God save me. For my own picky body. And God save me. You see? So, say now they call them again. This time when they call for this thing again, she not gonna use her own lawyer. They say make the lady will be the victim. She don't need to come. When she come, it be like say the lawyer from that judge they can't do and then they take cut that years. They can't cut her into 2 instead of 5 years in prison. Now they share her into 2. Now they give her half, 2 years and half. Make she go there, go sit down. That lady should leave the country because she should live where they call. Enough una. Oh, Mr. DJ, good evening, sir. Good evening. But don't take black case serious like that, especially when you don't have documents. She don't have documents. She don't have. She don't have. You know, come send this our sister letter. When she need to serve jail, they brought the letter for her. That day when she dey talk, she say they never answer her. He said for a few months there, he never see letter. Because she said it. People when they there that day will know. That's why I always tell people, come to class. Come to class. Always be available. In this platform, we teach people the real life story. How they form story they come. Stories they full ground. Someday they settle one for his house. They bring out. Someday I bring it out for us to learn from it. Of course, anybody when they class that day, you remember when the lady said, for that mosque, they never bring letter call give her. She don't know whether she go still go to jail. I think most of us was calling on that day and say, they not go give her jail, you not go, you not too severe, blah, 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 blah. If you remember. You understand? You understand? So, now, on Monday, she received a letter that she should come on the 20th to one jail like that. They say if she run, they will declare her wanted. If she run, they will declare her wanted. And her pikin dey with them. He pikin dey with them. And they see come people, they say, make she run. Run go where? Who you want leave the pikin for? Who? Run go where? Where you want stay? When they not go toss her back. He want dash pikin to government. She can't do that. For me, I don't support that. He says, I don't know. Good evening. You understand? She don't know. She said, what did she go do? He said, somebody tell her, say, make she run. When that make she run. You can call it to make your opinion. Make she run. And he said, lawyer tell her, say, when she go come outside, she can be probably be deported. Because she don't get paper. Say they fit deport her. If she served that 2.5 years, if she come and they fit deport her. You see? She said whether may she run. And he said her birth certificate don't already there with government already. Her birth certificate. And she come one time, she tell us, say, they say make she go do passport for her daughter and for herself too. She come, they ask us for JAMA class, say, how you will take do and maybe say you go carry. They say they not carry the picky give her. Make she go issue the passport come. She was asking that question. Who was on class that day? When I talk about that. When you are a good student, you will know this. She's still the same lady. Me, I don't even know, say. Thank God, say, I don't know whether she don't do the passport. I forgot to ask her. I don't know. They say, maybe she go do her passport and the picky passport come. Me, I was thinking maybe they let it go, they forget, and all those things. I don't know, say they'll still bring that sentence as in J. Matako give her again. And then she have to come on the 20th of April to the address where they give her from Munich. So, bad record. Oh God. Oh God, bad record. Where are the people? Come meet me for train station. Where are train station meters? I'll come your house, I'll come beat you. Where are they? There are certain things you don't do in Germany. If they have your time, they will deal with you. Stay away from bad record, guys. Why ne? Now social media for years I say when person say I put a rabuma for the country where I fed there before. I go beat you for this journey. They no go do me anything. I only pay. My dear, you are not the victim. The victim have the right to say you pay the money in cash or you go to jail for me. Welcome to Germany. I think it's all the country. When you beat me up, when you think you want to come and pay me €5, my guy, I will let you go to jail and pay that money to the government. You will have two options. You pay me the full money or you go to jail for it. So, fighting is not an option in this country. Then you can mind the kind of people you follow on social media and check their mentality. Some, they have nothing here. They don't have. They don't have. Going to 2 years and a half jail for what? Tell me. For what? Which everybody feel made the same mistake. Everybody feel make mistake. Go to 2.5 years for jail for what? If she born for that jail, they go to Kipiki. The moment she they born for that jail also, they don't fit carry one. As she they born the second one, they also fit take her. What will happen? Tell me for what? For what? When friendship doesn't work, you walk away. Hello, caller.
Hello, Sister Bonnie. Good evening.
Good evening, mommy. Good evening, ma. Yes, ma.
Oh.
Come on me.
Hey, yeah.
Mommy, yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Mama solo ba me call na ni ketie. Je vais voir la vidéo na tie o mama.
Me jere la video nia. Where we la video?
Okay. Ah, de no voir la vidéo ka tie we. La wo wa mo ye speaker ya la wo wa de.
Iye ti mwe. Iya wa gbe me. Iya wa mo ye la speaker me. Na. You get something to tell. I fit call you back after live video. Yeah, mommy. Okay. All right. Yeah, okay, mama. All right. No. As I did, so anybody when go slap me for left, I go give them the other right. Exactly. That is my whole advice. When you slap me for left, I'll give you right, and then I will let you pay for it. There is law for that. Even if you cause person ash, you know what they call ash? Ash law. If you talk and there is a weakness, it's €500. You pay for it. In Germany, you pay for it. Ija. The person call you get weakness. They will let you pay. You pay for it. You have no right to do that. Hello, caller. Hello, good evening. Ma.
I beg, no verse. I want you to talk this thing. The way this thing just said the best the fact they no verse. I know they like what is so commenters did too. You know, since they make our mumu do too much, you can never learn. You understand?
Oh, yes.
You know, this story when it tells too. Some people when they write for the comments say they're not saying I let fight, now they get fight on that thing. What do you just say? No, not say fight for
when you injure person. What are you saying?
When you injure person.
When she injure person.
You get what I'm saying, brother. I'll tell you this story. Don't have my husband, brother. One boy come go follow one man fight for their street, and they are two resemble. Black, they are two resemble. That one there, that one no, that one go buy mercy for Apotec. As they pass, a person will don't beat that, but my dad actually come out. As the depending on what the police gather for there. As that boy they pass, now the man come point that my husband brother say, now he come fall and fight for us. My husband brother come go sleep school for 1 month.
Okay.
Camera, say TCC, that what they call her, that camera, when they fix women.
Yes. Okay. That's up. Yes. Maybe they don't understand the word when they say copper fele song. I don't think you people know the law against that. Go and Google it out. What is copper fele song? Attempting murderer. She beat this lady. Yeah, now, Billy go say, Yanaga, yeah, go come nanu, a major nu, attempted murderer. Now, it be the case. You get the way you beat person. Now, attempted murderer, na jam I go put for your head. Yo. I believe that. Mommy, those who wants to learn, let them learn. You know what?
Okay.
Let them learn.
If she say me she run now, for example,
Yes.
all Italy are working hand to hand. Even
Yes.
Germany, anywhere before,
Yes.
hand to hand. And if she not come that day when they tell her, they go declare her wanted. Anywhere she for to preach, she not feel hide forever. She not feel go somewhere like Italy and say she not to preach.
Yes.
She not anything. What if police come control for road that they come to preach and they come to say now person when Germany wants now wanted person.
Yes.
They go increase that. They go increase the jail for her. Instead of
Okay.
2 years, they will say make it 2 years. They go keep her for there. And the case will come was fast the one the day before. She not get stress for that one. And what if she go dey pray? Say if she as in I not fit just advise her say make she go the school. She not get option. I let it when she fit do. And if she come out, she won't leave the daughter.
She won't leave the daughter. Hey.
The daughter give government. And she get belle. And if she still born Nana. The moment she dey born that one, they will see collect that one. 2 children don't they will government with that.
Yes. Until she's out.
She not just get belle now. For you get the mess, say okay. Now let one picking. Now I deal with government. You understand?
Yes.
Now let one picking. And what I want to tell most people for this European, not be everything will they fight for. Even person cause your papa, cause your mama.
See somebody say, best Barbie say, if na follow woman, she follow fight, na two fighting. Now woman she beat. Which one be two fighting? When you don't see blood, German not the use and play. If you injure person, say proof that they mark day. When the person know how to deal with you through the law, you will go for it. They don't they see when they two fighting. He beat her. Not be saying that she beat her. Oh, worry. Yeah.
Yes. One thing be
Oh, when they two
saying,
fighting.
that second woman now bad friend. Even though
Yes.
close friends like that.
Yes.
What did not make you compare to friend, She's already your friend. To the greet her, to the call, even though they call each other. She's already your friend, That woman, she's a wicked somebody. You know why I talk her? That woman supposed to forgive that girl. What in forgiveness is the key. I know say the girl beat her, injure her. And started that girl don't come beg you for her. Say, Madam, forgive me.
Now there she for wrong. Yes.
I'm so sorry. You see rich court, you go see testify against her, say your nyash they pay you, I see your toto they pay you, I see your ear drum they your ear cuts. They talk say because of fight. Only leg one break, don't be person break my leg. I fall for camp. They say they won't go put the person who get the gate for prison. I have to beg, say I don't need person where person don't go prison because say I break leg. You are telling me that person fight, person who don't fight, clear person blood. Me may break leg by myself for camp. They'll court same paper come for me say person wey do that and you get you have to go to prison. It's against the law. It's a criminal offense. I have to beg. I have to say I don't need. I'm a Christian. I do something because we Nigerians say we do put Christianity for. Yes, I have to do it because I
Thank you,
believe
Mama
in
Jare. God
Jesus.
God bless you. Yes. Thank you.
That woman for she understand me so. Now what time we just talk with that?
God bless you, Mama.
The girl don't care what you want to make the girl your space. If you go to school, when they not deport her back to Nigeria, you will get your daughter back. Now what time we just talk with that?
Thank you, Mama. God bless you. My lady, I beg, ladies, no be, you know, say they say many are called, few are choosing. In Germany, there is no two fighting. Okay? There is no two fighting. When one of you people is bleeding, you will be saying not they bleed. You will see yourself where you're not supposed to see yourself. They will let you pay. Okay? Unless say that person not carry the case, go court. There is no two fighting in Germany. We only have copper fele song. Can somebody translate it in English? I beg you, italo or cop fele song. Can somebody translate it in it? There is no two fighting in Germany. Maybe it's happening in another country. I have no idea. It's none of my business. But in Germany, there is no two fighting. When one of you is bleeding, the other one will go for it. Attenti mondra. Those who have the nothing can't woman they fight two fighting. everywhere good. Make one injure, make you call the see the case. You will not say not be too fighting, my sister. Oh, better not do one. My advice to you. Hello, caller.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma. Mona, thumbs up this video now. Wait till they stop. Thumbs up the video.
I read the lion next to.
Now we greet you past, mommy.
Hey, I tell you, this will pay me.
He pay you, Abby?
He pay me seriously.
The tea pay me too. The tea pay me like. And she talk on that day say she get hot temper. You see what your hot temper go cause? You see? When you are quiet, doesn't mean you are a fool. It's because you are smart.
He pay me. You know the reason why I say he pay me? Like, that lady who he call his friend, he did very wicked. Seriously. I'm not lying yourself on here. I don't get friends for this when I do. I don't get friends. I always they watch you anytime you call live. I'm the first person to call. They watch you. Because people they talk, a lot of people they talk, and they watch you, they talk, they give advice. You always make you happy. You always make them happy all the time.
Yes.
Anytime I do, they watch you. If I did this before, once you all call life, that person should not come off my body. I will just stay happy. I will just focus on the water. I'm not doing all that thing.
Yes.
This side of the thing, it happened to me, oh.
Okay.
I don't know your guy say I'm not gay friends. It happened to me, and then when they say if two women guys, not two fights, who tell you? Now, this one so my front official will fight.
Okay.
Now social, now he call police.
What?
Police one so. Social go now police call them whether we want go court. Now what they up ask us without they say whether we want go court.
Okay.
Now what they up as they thought that day.
Okay.
And because me, I don't get power for all those kind of things. Now you're going to say, no, I don't want to.
You see?
No, I said, no, I know I go talk to her, I beg go. Let's not go do something because of time. Then I said, no, I want to go. Then I go ask the other girl who is another guy. That one said no, too. Then I want to go court. I said, when I say, as that incident happened, it never even reach 1 month. Then I park up for the house. I wish I still did that house at Ebony. It did for to repeat itself again. Now I park, come up for the house. Leave the game, don't let one day the house. Anybody where they come carry me to make they follow the defense. Because I'm not get hand and leg. You should when I say when I say make I go see better my life. Now I person will go put me for problem.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Fee for the woman. But the money when the woman gives that a friend, they collect her.
I don't know that she collect her. I didn't ask.
You know collect the money.
No.
But I tell money that day the guy don't get now 2 children he get to 1 boy 1 girl. Now what they talk that day, oh?
Yes, not true. Now she talk that day, yes.
Because the boy, they can't carry the boy give it papa. They can't say because of the girl, they can't carry give social.
Not true, thank you.
If you have the boy now, they also collect the 3 children.
No, Mama.
No.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. May I pick other people call? God bless you, ma. Won't be smart, yo. Hello, Boga Minister. Good evening. We are hearing you, sir.
Hello, Bonnie.
Sir.
How are you there?
And they fine. All a week.
I can see. Bonnie, I want to ask a question about this lady, this particular lady. Because somebody commented on the comment section, I said she's pregnant.
She's pregnant, yes. She's pregnant.
Okay. Did the court know that she's pregnant before the judge the case? Are they aware?
I think they are aware. I think so.
And is it her first time to have this kind of crime?
I did not ask.
Okay. I don't know why the lawyer told her that she will serve this, because something like this, they can really reduce the jail term because of the pregnancy.
She was given 5 years before. 5 years.
Okay.
They reduced it to half. I think it's also because of the pregnancy. It was 5 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Because before they jail somebody like this, it's a very big crime though, because copper selection is a very serious issue. Copper selection is more dangerous than even stealing.
Yes.
Stealing can have a traffic, because anything that has to do with copper selection is like you're trying to take the life
Of somebody. Exactly.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I asked these two questions, so that maybe there is something we can do. But since they have already reduced the jail term, there is nothing we can do anymore. She has to face it. And the next thing is, I don't know if this is her first time or she has been fighting before they now decided to jail her, because normally she has done it before. I know somebody who fought someone and then they didn't jail the guy. They only gave him straffe because it's his first time. So that's why I'm asking if she has done it before.
Like the way she said, and like the way she explained before a few weeks ago, she said she beat up this lady mercilessly. Like,
Mercilessly.
yeah.
Okay. Like she bruised her.
Yeah, better bruises, steady one.
Bruise, okay, that's very bad. That's very bad. I want to say two life stories about this incident. There was a guy that somebody slept with his baby mama, and he was angry about it. So he was now telling me that whenever he sees the guy on the road, he will fight the guy. Me, I don't use here and say where the guy they talk say he they wait for that guy to come and fight him. He want to make money from him.
Yes. People make living from that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You see this guy. He has been in this country for how many years? Nothing to show of it.
Okay.
He wants to use it to make money. Guy, you are still handsome. Now, woman, who can collect your life? Guy, move on. Go see another woman. You understand me? Don't fight anybody. Don't let somebody who don't sport cause for your own. And he took that my advice, because he said he's a hot guy. He took that my advice and he did not fight the guy. I didn't he forced that guy. The guy said he didn't go touch him. He go just fall for ground. I overheard it when the guy was telling people that the day when that guy would touch him for road, he would just fall for ground. I didn't know that wahala.
That is why I always tell people, don't fight with people who have nothing to lose. Don't do that.
This couple selection again, somebody where I know this is a true life story, fought someone before, and the person in future wanted to do an audition as a security.
Okay.
Because of that record, they denied him that hospital.
Yeah, you are welcome. Bad record.
Because you have fought before, and you have wounded somebody before, and you want to be a security. My guy.
Who you want protect?
Exactly.
Who you want protect when you don't fair prepare head? You want to protect who?
anything, if you, that's why I see some people in Banov, they are fighting, people are just disgracing themselves. You don't do that here. When I see what happened recently for Oscar Award with Will Smith and Chris Rock. Even though we say Chris Rock now in Iady, you know how much Will Smith go pay for that thing when you do so?
Okay.
You don't hit somebody. When somebody offend you, you just walk away. All you got to do is to walk away or ignore the person. You don't report the person to the nearest police station.
Baga.
You don't hit someone. Even your child, you don't hit your child. You don't hit even your wife, you might for her, you don't hit your wife. It's wrong. So I just pray for this woman. This is a lesson for all that. We say that they carry shoulder up. I be coach, I be this, I be that. But that Germany will bring you down. Go ask anybody who entered in Germany. All of them, they succumb.
Me myself, I succumb.
Except say you won't succumb. If you don't want to live if you don't live for here, come on. But if you won't live here, you must succumb.
You must obey the laws.
They're not going to stress you. They're not going to stress you. Now you go use your hand, go meet them, say you won't change. Now you go meet your hand, go meet them, say you won't change. You must succumb. And if they advise you, no agree, they tell you no agree, the next thing to carry the person go out. Or they carry go rehab. You must succumb. So my advice for every other person, when they get somebody from mind to go fight the person, or somebody doing wrong thing, why are you fighting? For what? Or why are you fighting? This is not Africa where you fight.